So we will be working on this data sheet, and probably we will be doing making a dashboard for sales executives. Yes. Okay. So that will be having a simple dashboard with sales, net quantity, margin, and all. So that is our target for today. I think you guys have uh, seen my last videos. Okay. This was the last dashboard we made. This was the first dashboard. Then this is the second dashboard we did. We have sales and all. And this was the butterfly chart. I think I'm missing something. Okay. So let's just quickly dive in, making an we would be having a Tableau dashboard. Okay. So we have the total sales data, which is on different sheet, and actually this is the worksheet. This is also worksheet. This is also worksheet, and here we have butterfly chart of category wise. This is left side is sales and right part is quantity, and zero in between. This is it. uh, we'll be making a better one. All right, without further ado, let's just start. We have a web mail. I'm just quickly logging into what we're gonna make today. And the I'll quickly show in the end what we have made today, keeping that in mind. Cool. So this was 22nd October. Okay, let's just dive in. DVD and download image. Image is here. Okay. So on the left corner we want uh, we'll be dealing with a tile thing. So suppose this is a dashboard we're gonna make. We will start with a blank sheet. Probably we'll change the dimension. uh, what should we do? Our whole horizontal one will be fine. Then अब हम लोग को चाहिए लेफ्ट साइड में सेल्स प्रॉफिट एंड क्वांटिटी एंड एवरेज डिस्काउंट. कूल. So we'll drop a vertical container. Here we'll be having in 3 parts the dimensions. Then we want a vertical thing for consumer, corporate and home office. Cool. I think we can shrink this a bit or something. No, it's fine. Anyway, it's fine. With keeping that in mind, we'll be having 2 more vertical containers. So here we'll be having the text. The text would be whatever we want. We want to make it for executive, so we will write executive sales. Put into center, align it, bold कर दो. 20 by 24 साइज पे ला सकते हो, तो this would be fine. Edit, probably will go into layout, then tile, then this vertical. And then we can have it floating. No, we don't want floating. Then we want it to acquire the whole space. Remove from dashboard. No. Format the object. No, we want it to be center align. Done. Actually get it removed. Remove from dashboard. Cool. फिर से जाओ. I think what we can do is text को डाल दो. We want on the top head. Executive. This is not floating, so थोड़ा अलाइनमेंट आसान होता है, बट देन इट कैन बी अ हेडेक और नाइटमेयर इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू मेक इट. सो वी आर मेकिंग अ टाइल्ड वन. This is it. Sales. We can have a border as well. Cool. Then we have the sales, profit and then quantity, and we have to make average profit. एक एवरेज प्रॉफिट का हम लोग शीट बनाते हैं. विल मेक इट एवरेज डिस्काउंट. So we would be having a discount. Yeah, we have discount in here. We'll put into text. And then standard को एंटायर व्यू कर दो. टेक्स्ट पे जा करके सेंटर अलाइन कर सकते हो. यू कैन मेक इट बोल्ड. सेलेक्ट एवरीथिंग and make it somewhere around huge. So make it 22 and center align then. So this is coming huge. Now we'll center align it. Not automatic, we want it to be center. this one has also needs to be in center. So select everything, bold it, make it 15 is fine, make it center, average discount, cool. So हमारा second part of the dashboard would be drag and drop. So we'll make it here, half में आ गया, average, this is total sales, then we want profit, total profit, oops, not here, but total profit आ गया. What do we want? Then the quantity, total orders, or rather the quantity. Then what do we want? Average discount, which is in not in percent, so we have to edit this. Formatting, we'll have to make it percentage, no, percentile नहीं, running discount नहीं, differences not at all. Measure, make it discrete, nope. We don't want average, percentile. How could we make it? I don't know. Percentage. Format. Tooltip. Paint, title, rows. We need to make it into format. देखो अगर this is already into average, what if I make it into percentage, standard deviation, I think we can make it a formula as well. Let's make it a formula. Created field, creating a field, average discount, and here we have what, discount divided by 100. अगर हम लोग डिस्काउंट को डिस्काउंट और यहाँ पे डालते हैं ना, देन वी कैन मेक इट डिस्क्रीट एंड देन वी कैन मेक इट एवरेज. ये तो आसान है. So percentage of total नहीं, so we can make it into filter नहीं, if we format this and we put it as percentage, so ऐसा तो आ जा रहा है header numbers, but then if we want to format this header, so what should we do? Let's delete this, remove this, it's fine. So this discount, we have to format this, and we have numbers here. Yeah, percentage, cool, done. So dashboard 3 में हम लोग see things ना, कभी कभी you have to find out, you have used it but many times you won't remember how you would have used it. तो ठीक है, ट्रायल एंड एरर चलता है. दिस लुक्स फाइन. द नंबर्स आई थिंक यहाँ पे थोड़ा देख लेंगे हम लोग. डन. वी नीड कंज्यूमर्स, we need to make one more, so we want segment on top and sales here. Wow. So we don't want it to be numbers, rather we'll make it attribute. No, what if we put segments? I think we were going right, but I'm just thinking of making it a new way. Corporates ऐसा आ गया, home office and all. Now I want sales. This looks pretty decent. Cool. So we'll remove this. We don't want you high title, but we will make it as entire screen, and the text need to be center aligned, and here these things need to be bold enough. The first one, segment, let's just make it what, 15 is fine. The numbers to be 22. We'll make everything bold. This looks fine, right? Now that we'll use this text, and I think we need to make it change the format, numbers these are not numbers, these are currencies. Standard. See, we don't want it. We want custom and no decimal places. This looks simple and sober. So with that being done, we will put this as segment. Naming बहुत important है. So we have a segment in here, but we want it to be a bit different, right? We want to this looks fine. Format. So what is happening in here is we wanted to make इसको पूरा occupies करना चाहिए. So we have one thing in here which is go to street feet. फिर हम लोगों को width में चाहिए या कैसा चाहिए, that we can do. Then segment, use as filter, no. Yes, just remove. Actually, no. Can we make it into format sheet? Okay, we can is it into entire width, standard. अगर ये फ्लोटिंग में रहता तो वी कैन हैव ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप, बट बिकॉज ये फ्लोटिंग में नहीं है, जैसे सपोज वी वांट टू just remove this and then go to floating and then segment को कहीं पे भी डाल सकते हो. This should expire. So this could make your life easier, just that this is the floating tile, but we want spaces in between, right? Total number of consumer we have. But for now it's good, it's looking good. Then we want quarter by quarter sales of consumers. So we'll make a sheet again. We'll go quarter by quarter into this side. It would be quarter, so this would be not the sales, region, ship date, ship mode, profit loss, order date. So order date needs to be in the column. Then we want segment. Then we want sales डेटा चाहिए हम लोग को. Where is the sales? Here it is. Sales. These are the numbers we have for all three categories. Segment also needs to be in here. So this is corporate, consumer and all. So segment इसके अंदर आ गया, but we want year to be later on and in here. So this looks clean. We want sales data. Let's just remove this. We want sales data. Where is the sales? Sales in the column. And we will choose some other chart in here. We can use area. This looks fine. 17, 18 and all year wise distribution in here, but we want to make it a bit vivid. See, we cannot drag and drop here. So I'll do one thing, segment वाला चीज़ ना. So segment को we can put it segment column में आ गया. We want the sales data. So sales in text. Entire screen. This looks good. This looks good. Then we want the formatting. Numbers नहीं हम लोग को. This should be in dollars, right? Custom with 0 decimal places. This looks good. Then what do we want? हम लोग को उसका टेक्स्ट का साइज थोड़ा बड़ा करना है. So sum of sales need to be bold. It should be 24, center aligned. Yeah, this looks good. This are the consumers. These I will format and formatting this thing can be text, sum of sales, font. Yeah, we can make it I don't know what should be the thing. Let's make it 15 and color हम लोग रख लेंगे based on segment color. This looks good. Right. This thing we can hide the title and all. This looks good. Formatting. What if we put the segment in text? Where is the segment in text? This looks good. So we'll make it in here. Consumer, corporate, and this thing. We can actually delete this. No. Okay, cool. Can we hide this? So header, yeah, done. This looks nice. This looks nice. So I'll remove this. Oops, what did I do? This one I removed it. Tiled. No. I want a horizontal. I want this thing over here, which we can make it. We can hide this title. We can make this smaller. Right. We can even hide this. Hide. No. Done. Then we can have it one more here, and we can have the segment. Done. That's what I call a dashboard. Yeah, you have the total sales and all. So this look decent. So hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, do give. It was mostly trial and error for most of us. So if you liked it, just let me know in the comments below, and what dashboard you want in the next videos to come. We can decide upon that. And let me know if you really liked it. Give it a thumbs up because that helps in the algorithm definitely. So with that being said, we can actually work upon more of such videos and all, and then we can decide upon the next videos to come. Cool. Give a thumbs up, and hope you liked it. Hope you liked the videos, and do subscribe if you did.